student groups from across India have shown solidarity with the protesting wrestlers in Delhi by organizing additional protests and candle marches to initiating Twitter storms. The students have demanded justice for the wrestlers. Let's dive into the situation in detail in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Abhipsa Mohanty. Top wrestlers from India are protesting against Wrestling Federation of India chief and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Saran Singh for over a month at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. They demanded the immediate arrest of Singh, who has been accused of sexual harassment by several female athletes, including a minor. On May 28th, the protesters were detained by the Delhi police. Allegations of them being forcefully dragged and detained followed, and after this incident, more student groups have taken notice of the matter. Student groups like the Students' Federation of India and the All India Students Association have held several protests to display support for the protesting wrestlers. Activists from the All India Democratic Students Organization held protests in several parts of the country when wrestlers were detained by the police. The Krantikari Yuva Sangathan has also organized protests and a candle march in support of the wrestlers. The body organized a Twitter storm on May 28th. On May 31st, the National Students Union of India activists in Rajasthan protested in front of the BJP office. Finally, SFI and ISA have planned more protests starting today, June 1st. The SFI protest was held at Sansad Marg in the national capital, demanding the arrest of the WFI president. Meanwhile, ISA is holding protests till June 3rd against sexual harassment of women at workplaces, also at Sansad Marg. Here's what the student groups have to say.
We demand, KYS demands an apology from the BJP government for this and demands immediate arrest of Brij Bhushan Saran Singh under POCSO and other cases, and demand the withdrawal of all cases against the wrestlers. We also demand that suitable action be taken against the Delhi police and the authorities for raining such brutal violence against us. The victory in this case is going to be a litmus test for sexual harassment and women's issues to be taken seriously in India.
We students stand with wrestlers, and we have been planning protests inside our campus as well. We have been going for days to sit with wrestlers at the Jantar Mantar. Now they are not allowed to sit at Jantar Mantar, and this has been going for more than a month. So the only demand of wrestlers is the arrest of Brij Bhushan and the police to start the investigation, thoroughly start the investigation. So what is taking them so long? What is stopping them to arrest Brij Bhushan? Brij Bhushan has been under POSCO Act, so they should be immediately arresting him.
परंतु बड़ी ही निंदनीय बात है, शर्मनाक बात है कि आज तक सरकार जो है अपनी आंखों में काली पट्टी बांधकर जो है वो बैठी है। और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि वो बेटियां किसी एक घर की बेटियां नहीं है, वो खिलाड़ी जो है वो पूरे देश भर की बेटियां हैं, जिन्होंने इस देश के तिरंगे की शान, इस देश की शान न केवल देश में बल्कि पूरे विश्व में उन्होंने देश की तिरंगे की शान और मान को बढ़ाया। मैं चाहता हूं कि जल्द से जल्द सरकार जो गहरी नींद में सोई हुई है उस नींद से जागे और इस देश के जो हमारे खिलाड़ी हैं उनको जो है वो न्याय दे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
That's all from us today. See you tomorrow with more education related updates. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to mask up and stay safe.